Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can use the AMP Quantower setup. So the Quantower is a professional multi-broker trading platform. So this guide will walk you through connecting your AMP futures account and then setting up your first workspace. So you have to always ensure that you have your live or demo account credentials ready. So let's start by tapping on Begin Setup. So first is the configure of the AMP connection. So in the platform's control center, you have to navigate to the connections tab to find the AMP and then or any specific provider like the CQJ and then the rhythmic if prompted. And then you just have to enter your login and password and then click on connect. So once you do that, once the connection status turns green, go to the file, tap on new workspace, and then workspaces organizes your charts and trading panels. So you have to give your new workspace a relevant name, like for example, futures trading. So you just have to build your workspace, and then from there, you have to add charts and then panels. So you can use the plus icon, which is the add panel button, and then add a chart panel, and then add a DOM trader or the depth of market panel. So in the simple search, you can type in and select your desired futures and contract, like for example, NQ or ES. So just have the load chart and DOM, and then placing orders from the chart is that you just have to right click on the price scale of your chart to enable chart trading mode. So you can then click directly on the chart at the desired price level to place a limit or stop orders quickly. So you have to review the dedicated or the order entry panels settings. So next is by submitting market and limit orders. So the DOM provides the fastest order entry. So you just have to click on bid, side left column to place a sell limit or ask side, which is in the right column. To place a buy limit, use the dedicated buttons at the top or button for a market orders. So you just have to do that. And then from there, you can start trading. So you just have to practice first. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.